Yo guys, so to be completely honest, I deleted the entire intro by accident. So this is the intro. I basically said I was going for a walk and then I'd be right back. So yeah. We're back. You guys already know. Got done the walk. I feel kind of dead. I don't know. Probably like a 45 minute walk. I don't even know. But I'm hungry. Like hungry, dog. And I don't know if I want to go to the gym or not because I feel like tired now. So I think I'm gonna eat, and if I have energy to go to the gym, we're gonna go to the gym. But if not, I'm just gonna be like, alright, my body does not want to go to the gym. So I want to go, but like my body's telling me not to. So I'm gonna eat and we'll see. Peace. And we back. As you guys can see, we cooked up meal 3 here. Our pre-workout lava cake and popcorn, but we don't know if we're gonna work out yet because we gotta see how my body reacts to this food. But I'm gonna eat this and I'll check in with you guys again when it's time to go to the gym or if I decide I'm not going to the gym. So yeah. And we back. So I ate around 3:30, 3 o'clock, and it's currently like 5. I ate, I even had a cup of coffee, and I'm a dead body. So my body's telling me not to go to the gym right now, but I want to fucking go. But I think I've made the right decision to stay home, get some rest. I haven't taken a rest day in I think like 3 weeks, 2-3 weeks. So yeah, I definitely need a rest day. So yeah, so I thought I would answer some IG questions for you guys, right? Posted up on my story. I said ask me some questions. So you don't follow me on Instagram already, go follow me on Instagram. Let's answer some questiones. First question. How many failure sets / all out sets do you do per workout or per exercise? It honestly depends on what I'm hitting, like if I'm hitting legs, chest, back, arms, whatever it is. But for the most part, every set is to failure. But it's not like I'm going all out and going until I physically fail. It's more like my form is not perfect because you're never gonna have perfect form. My form is solid on like every movement, and I physically do reps until I cannot physically get another rep with good form. And then if I want to increase intensity, I'll go past failure and do like partials. Yeah, that's that. Basically, answer the question, how many failure sets? Every set, dog. Height, body weight, body measurements like arms, chest, legs. My height is 5'7", 5'7", I think. Pretty short. Body weight right now, you guys already know, I'm like 160. I didn't mention that, but I did hit a new low of 159.6. We're down like two pounds or so. Body measurements, I know my legs are like 23 and a half, 24 inches with a pump. My calves are like 15 and a half, 16, I'm pretty sure, with a pump once again. And my arms, I think, are like 14. My calves are bigger than my arms, bro. Imagine that. Imagine that, bro. Why are you such a beast, bro? My boy Alexander asked this question. And my question would be, why are you such a beast, bro? I'm not a beast, bro. You're the fucking beast. You're the beast. What pre you like? I'm assuming my man is talking about pre-workout. So, personally, I have not had a better pre-workout than Gorilla Mode. Gorilla Mode, I think, is the best. I'm not sponsored, by the way, so If Gorilla Mode is trying to sponsor me though, I would gladly take that because their supplements are literally goated. Are you using creatine? Yes. And in my opinion, if you're not taking creatine, you're missing out. You need to be taking creatine. Everyone's like, oh, creatine causes cancer and everything. Like, no. Creatine is not killing you. Okay? I promise. But yeah, that's all the questions. I don't really get a lot of questions because, I don't know. I guess no one views my stories or whatever, you know. But it's not a Q&A video anyway. It's the Summer Shred series. So I can't sit here all day answering questions, you know what I'm saying? We gotta get to it. We gotta eat. We gotta show you what I'm eating. All that. But we're not going to the gym, sadly. So, but like I said before, if you guys ever want to ask any questions, DM me on Instagram. My Instagram will be on the screen right there. BenXSeg. Come on, you guys gotta go follow me. With that being said, I'll see you guys whenever I see you guys because I don't even know at this point. I'm kind of mad I'm not going to the gym. But what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? We might go for another walk, to be honest, because I'm bored. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I think I might go work on the cookbook. But yeah, that's what we gonna do. So, see you guys when I see you guys. Peace. Lil Drew Fit, say what's up to the YouTubes. Meal 4, we got apples and Greek yogurt PB2. You know the vibes. It's like chocolate syrup, PB2, and apples. That shit's gas, you know the vibes. But yo, nice camera. We on live. If you don't go on my freaking Instagram lives, you're a freaking lame. No cap.
Yo, I'm always on every live. Bro.
Yeah, Drew on all the lives. Shout out Lil Drew Fit. Go follow Lil Drew Fit on IG right now. But yo, shut up, Drew. I'm trying to record my freaking video, bro. We got the meal right here, meal 4. I think this is meal 4. Yeah. We're gonna have another meal 5 later tonight. But this is what we're working with. So I'm gonna see y'all later. Peace! And we're back. You guys already know. Pre-bed meal. It is like 8 o'clock and I am just done. Like, I'm drained. I don't know what. This rest day has been a lot of resting and a lot of nothing. So we've got 60 grams of oats, 140 grams of strawberries, a scoop of protein powder, and 1 whole egg. Probably gonna eat this and then something else before bed. Probably some cottage cheese, get that slow digesting protein. I was just on Omegle on my Instagram. You guys really need to follow me on Instagram. Like, my lives on Instagram are so lit. It's so fun. All you guys that join my lives on Instagram, I love you guys, for real. Hope you guys are enjoying the series. This has been episode 4 of the Summer Shredding series. We'll be back at you guys with episode 5 coming soon. You already know. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like down below. If you guys are looking for a coach or you need a customized training program, I'm doing those as well. That's going to be in my description on my website. You guys can go check out my website. Greatly appreciate it. If you guys want to support me, I have a code for Fitletics clothing. Probably the highest quality gym clothing in the industry. I have not gotten any other gym clothing that has been this quality. It's not this, but literally I promise you guys will not be disappointed. Give it a shot. Link is in the description as well to go check that out. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and make sure you guys comment for the algorithm. Come on, come on. But yo, that's about it for your boy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!